Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, we'll learn how to find probabilities of a standard normal distribution. So find the area, which is the same as the probability, under the standard normal distribution. Remember, the standard normal distribution has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Now, the first part says, what's the area to the left of negative 1.87? So let's open our Google Colab, and as always, we need to first import stats. So from scipy, import stats, right? And now today we need the normal distribution. So we need stats that normal, or just for this now we just need norm. And now we need the CDF, the cumulative distribution. And the first part that we need is um, to the left of what number? And if you remember, the point was negative 1.87, I believe. Let's go check the number. Yeah, negative 1.87. And then the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1, right? So the mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. When we run this code, it tells us the probability is about 0.03, right? About 0.03. Now, if we look at the second part, it says, what's the probability or the area to the right of 2.01? Now, in order to find to the right of 2.01, first we find to the left and then we take the complement. So for this one, what we'll do is we will add a code and say it's 1 minus the same thing, which is stats that norm that CDF. But now we do, let me look at the number one more time. It's to the right of 2.01. So it's 2.01. The mean is 0. The standard deviation is 1. By doing the complement, because the area to the left is given by the stats norm CDF, but by doing 1 minus, we're getting area to the right, right? So this will give us area to the right. And then finally, the last one was area between 0 and 107. So we'll do to the left of 0 and to the left of 1.07, and we subtract the 2. So to the left of 1.07, you can do this by the left of 1.07. So stats, norm, CDF, to the left of 1 point, let me see the number one more time. It's 1.07, right? With mean 0, standard deviation 1, and then subtract it from stats, norm, CDF, now to the left of the first number, which is 0. So 0 with a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. And the difference between the two will give us the correct answer. So what you need to remember is stats that norm that CDF will give you the cumulative or area to the left. And you can use that to answer area to the right or any other challenge that you may face.